What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. We're simply going over the latest news, going over the latest markets, and going over the latest price action. Now, you can see Shiba Inu coin turned red last night and came back down to about 578 points per coin. It's not that strong of a decline, right? 600 points per coin down to 580 points per coin is about a 3% drop. Nothing to write home about, especially the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market says 3% is not that much. So looking at that, it's nonetheless, it's a tough weekend, right? We went into it, we started to gain throughout last week, and of course things have leveled off with this 50-day moving average providing extreme resistance for Shiba Inu coin. But there's always good news on the horizon, and the SEC and CFTC have recently determined Shiba Inu coin is a commodity. Now, the AI summary says the digital asset market is realigning towards protocol revenue and infrastructure utility, with Shiba Inu coin attempting to pivot from its meme coin origins. Shiba Inu coin currently trading at 580 points per coin, which is exactly where it's at right now, amid a cautious market flood following the Federal Reserve's rate decision. Reaching $1 is mathematically improbable due to its massive supply, and analysts foresee a realistic medium-term goal of reclaiming that 1,000 point per coin level. Now, it says that the math of the moon, can it reach $1? We don't really care about that right now, right? From speculation to digital plumbing, the 2026 Shiba Inu coin narrative is shifting towards its development as a viable financial infrastructure supported by three core pillars. Now, I don't necessarily care too much about Shibarium because the entire ecosystem team has abandoned everything they've ever worked on. It says institutional validation. In a landmark move on March 17, 2026, T. Rowe Price amended its S1 filing for an actively managed crypto ETF to include Shiba Inu coin as an eligible asset. This inclusion marks a monumental step towards mainstream legitimacy, signaling that major allocators now view SHIB as a dynamic digital asset rather than a fleeting trend. And the deflationary metrics. While daily burn rates fluctuate, you've got burns that are constantly removing Shiba Inu coin from the circulating supply and could eventually lead scarcity into demand. Now, technical outlook and market sentiment, right? Current price, 580 points per coin, and this is down about 4.9% on the day today, still remaining a top 30 asset, but the outlook at the moment is still fearful. It is still cautious optimism. We are sitting at a level of 27 fear because nobody knows what to expect next. Guys, I know what to expect next, okay? Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to play out the way that I expect it, but I know what to expect. We've seen this with literally every industry that there has ever been. People start to accumulate. People start to go out and collect gold. People start to own land. People start to... imagine the prosperity that, we call them retail investors, but they're people. Imagine the prosperity that people would have if institutions didn't come in every time they got scared and buy everything up. People would own massive amounts of real estate, not the government. People would own massive amounts of gold, not the government. People would own massive amounts of crypto, not the government. But here we are, watching all of this fear. Essentially, guys, you can watch TV, and it's funny, I don't watch TV here at home, but I was with my grandpa the other day, and you turn the TV on. I don't know how you guys do it. It is literally like brainwashing. There's the same commercials playing on repeat over and over and over again, and it's probably every 6 minutes. There's like no show that you can watch. It is the same people coming on and just monotonously driving into you whatever message they want to drive into you. And that's the message that these institutions are doing to financial markets. It is fear, a little bit of relief. Fear, a little bit of relief. Fear and fear and fear and fear. And they essentially brainwash you into believing that the market will be destroyed and never go up again. Meanwhile, what are they doing? Accumulating. They're buying more and more and more. They will own the industry. Like it or not, the only thing we can do is remain a part of it. So that is exactly what I do.